1720, 1846, 1929, 2000. Four manias, 300 years apart, and one identical chart. Tonight, we trace it. This is the Museum of Bubbles. 4 rooms, 4 miracles, 4 funerals, and a 5th room, still under construction. Room 1, 1720. The South Sea Company promised riches from trade. It barely did. Shares rose nearly tenfold in months. Everyone was in, even geniuses. The story goes that Isaac Newton lost a fortune, sighing he could compute the heavens, but not the madness of men. Up nearly tenfold, round trip in a year. Parliament banned joint stock companies for a century after. The shape was born. Room 2, the railways. Britain poured 8% of its economy into rails in 1 year. The railway king paid old investors with new investors' money. Shares halved. A third of approved lines were never built. The dreamed 10% dividends arrived at 1.8. And here's the twist that will repeat. Britain got its railways. Society kept the asset. The savers kept the bill. Room 3, 1929. One utilities baron stacked 95 holding companies that owned each other. 100 million controlling 2.5 billion. Circular by design. And the era's tech darling, the radio company, rose 200-fold. Radio really was the future. Hold that thought. The radio stock fell 98% and took 3 decades to recover. The pyramid wiped 600,000 savers and birthed the SEC. Room 4, 2000. Equipment giants lent customers $25 billion to buy their own gear. $1 trillion of fiber went into the ground. 97% stayed dark. The Router King became the world's most valuable company at 131 times earnings. It fell 89% and took 25 years to reclaim the peak, while its revenue doubled. Minus 99, minus 98, minus 89. And yes, the internet won anyway. On fiber bought for pennies from the wreckage. 4 rooms, 4 laws. Law 1. The technology is always real. 2. Circular money inflates it. 3. Truth arrives late. 4. The asset survives, the equity doesn't. Canals, rails, radio, internet. Every single technology triumphed. The certificates under the portraits are what the first believers held. Room 5. Under construction. Today's exhibit, the AI buildout. Real technology, circular money, truth pending. The old curve fits the rise. The ending is unwritten. Honesty beat. Rhyme is not destiny. Today's giants earn real cash. The dot-coms didn't. Both endings remain on the table. 3 centuries of advice in one line. Separate the technology from its ticket price. The future arriving. Never guaranteed anyone's entry fare. Dated July 16th. This has been The Meme Economy. Education, not financial advice. Subscribe and mind the shape of things.